Say, wait in the house. Have you ever heard her sing? She sings all over here in Fort Worth. Well, she lives in Chicago now. She's a Fort Worthian, but she moved to Chicago. But she often comes. She sings at different places around Fort Worth. One place you may have seen her singing jazz at the Scat Lounge. She's a resident at the Scat Lounge. But at this time, we're going to call to stage Saran Keaton. Good speed, good speed, good speed. Don't let the walk fool you. I seen her 2 days ago when she was walking with a strut. I think she just had surgery Wednesday, so she just had a knee replacement Wednesday. But she was determined to come out and sing anyway. So we thank her for coming out.
Are you still working or?
How y'all doing this evening? I had to see what was the sexiest way I could sit on this chair with this thing. This bandage. I don't, did it, y'all clap, did it work? Wait. Y'all so sweet, y'all like, oh yeah, that's sexy, isn't it? Listen, God bless everybody today. I'm so grateful to be here. There was not very many of Jock's holiday galas that I missed over the years, and when I found out I had to have this emergency knee replacement surgery, I didn't want to let it stop me. So I'm very excited to be here, very blessed to be here. So y'all pray for me. Because listen, oxycodone in these lyrics, that's all I'm gonna say. Whenever y'all ready, I'm ready. I'm done talking. I'm patient, but not really. Do you know what I'm thinking about? I got a brand new rain for Christmas. My sweet friend Brashida came all the way from Chicago to take me for my surgery on Wednesday. She's been babysitting me all week. She left her brand new man that she just married in August to come and spend this time with me, and I appreciate her. And I'm still waiting on mine, dear Heavenly Father. I got a brand new rain for Christmas. Living in paradise. Yes. I do currently reside in Chicago now, y'all, so If y'all got any spare uncles or cousins or single fathers that love the Lord, that live in the Chicago area, tell them to come in. Jim Blue is back there going, oh dear God, I can't take her nowhere. Hold on, Jock, I gotta find these lyrics for real. There you go, hold on. Y'all keep on feeling the time. Now listen. Chestnuts roasting down an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at the rose. Tiny tots
gonna surround good things to me. Y'all give up another hand.
I'm just still waiting on somebody to come get me.
That's all right. That's all right. I take the time like that. We have sticks on drums. We have field on bass, sound, lighting. Come on, let's get out here. My cousin, Stephen Tate over there on keys. He make anything sound like worship in that day. came and said, my child, with your light so low, won't you guide my child? God touch me. Say, don't let your light on the table. Let your light shine for all men to see. Come on now, somebody. And I see y'all out there tapping them toes. I'm going to bring somebody to the stage next. And listen, if you haven't started dancing, hey, it's a floor right out here. It's okay. We want you to get out and have a good time. Y'all put on these nice clothes. We want to get you out here and show them off.